Welcome to the demo of the 25D feature, Create a Process Manufacturing Work Definition based on a formula, in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. This feature enables the creation of a process manufacturing work definition based on a formula in Oracle Fusion Product Management. The formula is used as the basis for assigning inputs and outputs to work definition operations in Oracle Fusion Manufacturing. You can specify the suggested operation sequence to automatically assign the formula ingredients and products to work definition operations. Visibility to both ingredients and products is needed to provide a cohesive picture of how changes in ingredients affect the products and vice versa. Having both ingredients and products in a formula helps streamline product development process and ensures integrity between formula and recipe management. This demo shows how to create a process manufacturing work definition based on a formula. First, we'll review the formula in Oracle Fusion Product Management. Then I'll show you how to create a process manufacturing work definition based on the formula. Last, I'll create a process manufacturing work order based on the work definition. I've logged in as a product engineer. We're viewing the formula primary for item tofu. A formula consists of products and ingredients. The top-level item tofu is the primary product. Soy milk is a coproduct, while okara is a byproduct. 3 ingredients are required to make tofu: soybean, purified water, and salt. The suggested operation sequence has been specified for all the products and ingredients to facilitate automatic assignments to work definition operations. Absolute yield is a calculated field in a formula. It is quantity multiplied by yield. Note that the absolute yield of tofu is 300. This will be defaulted as the batch quantity in the work definition. Let's create a process manufacturing work definition based on the formula for tofu. I'm logged in as a manufacturing engineer. Click Create Work Definition. New work definition page renders. Select Process Manufacturing Work Method. I've specified process name as plain tofu, and selected tofu as the primary output. Note that the formula name was defaulted to primary, and structure item type was set to formula. The batch quantity was defaulted to 300, which is the absolute yield of primary output tofu. I've specified work definition name as primary. Click Create. The operations page renders. A placeholder operation is created. I'm going to delete the placeholder operation. I'm adding 5 operations to the work definition: soak and blend, stir and simmer, strain out milk, coagulate, and add to mold. Click Operation Outputs. The assigned outputs page renders. The products in the formula, soy milk, okara, and tofu, have been automatically assigned to work definition operations, based on the suggested operation sequence in the formula. With the exception of completion type, all of product attributes in a formula are defaulted to the work definition and can't be overridden. You can't assign ad hoc outputs if the work definition references a formula. I updated the cost allocation basis for soy milk and tofu to percentage, and specified the percentage as 100. I can also update completion type that's defaulted from the formula if required. Click Formula Products. The Formula Products page is where you would assign the products of a formula had they not been assigned automatically. To assign a product, you specify the operation sequence, and the system will default the output sequence. Basis for an output is enforced to be variable. Products have effective start date and end date. Assigning the same product with different find numbers isn't supported at this time. You also can't use the product yield attribute at this time. I've clicked Operation Items. The assigned items page renders. The same as products, the ingredients in the formula have been automatically assigned to work definition operations, based on the suggested operation sequence. With the exception of supply type, all of ingredient attributes in a formula are defaulted to the work definition and can't be overridden. If required, you can update the supply type that's defaulted from the formula. Click Formula Ingredients tab. The Formula Ingredients page is where you would assign the ingredients of a formula had they not been assigned automatically. To assign an ingredient, you specify the operation sequence, and the system will default the material sequence. Ingredients have effective start date and end date. You can't use the contribute to yield attribute at this time. Now let's create a process manufacturing work order based on the work definition. I've logged in as production supervisor and navigated to work orders page. Click Create Process Standard Work Order. New Process Standard Work Order drawer renders. Select process name as creation basis. Specify plain tofu as process name. The primary output of the process is tofu. The work definition primary associated to the process name is shown. Click Create and Open. Work order map 1-1062 is successfully created for tofu. The work method is process manufacturing. You can view the formula information on the work order details page. The formula name used is primary with revision A. I'm now on the Work Order Outputs tab. There are three outputs: tofu, which is the primary product, okara, which is a byproduct, and soy milk, which is a coproduct. These outputs are as defined in the work definition. Now, let's review the work order materials. There are three materials: soybean, purified water, and salt. These materials are also as defined in the work definition. To summarize, with this feature, you can create a process manufacturing work definition, based on a formula defined in Oracle Fusion Product Management. A formula consists of ingredients and products. It's used as the basis for assigning inputs and outputs in a process manufacturing work definition. This concludes the feature demo. Thank you for watching.